Okay, here's a little exercise. I'm going to invite you to think about one problem you like to help people with. Yeah, or one product you like to make. Either one. It's a problem or a product. So if you make products, think about the product you most love to make. And if you have a service, what's the problem you most love to help people solve? Be as specific as possible. And then, okay, everyone got something in your head? Okay, so now here's the question I'm going to ask. If it's a product, what is your biggest frustration with the industry in terms of making those products? My guess is, by the way, I'll just inform you about this. You're an opinionated person. You have opinions about things, but we're often terrified to say those opinions. And what okay, I believe that about you. I believe that. But the opinion that you are most terrified to share is the thing that would turn your marketing around. The thing that you are most afraid to say, that this will get the biggest backlash, get you canceled, it might, but it would also draw your people in.